before you write an effective prompt with any AI tools, there are some two things or few things you need to know. So the few things you need to know is what I will be talking about here. So first and foremost is all about role, tags, and context. So this is just all you need to be able to write an effective prompt with any AI tools, either Claude as you're seeing on the background, or either ChatGPT as you're seeing on the background, or either any other AI tools that out there that you want to use for your perfect use case. This is what you need to know. A role is very important in your effective prompt writing. A task is very important in your effective prompt writing, and also the context. The last but not the least is effective too, and it's very vital in writing an effective AI prompt for your various use cases. So let's say I want to create a text I want to create a text. I want to use AI Cloud, for example, to create a text for my create a text post for my social media. Let's say Facebook. I'll have to what? Tell Cloud to act like a social media manager of over 10 or 20 years experiences. That's one. Two, create a post for my business, for my software business. Create a post for my software business, and the context will be software business for local and small medium enterprise. Can you see? So from these three sentence, we can't call it sentence because it's not even a full sentence yet. So from these three things here, the first thing is this, second thing is what this, and the third thing is what is this. I can draft out what I need to post on my I can draft out what I need to paste on my on my AI tool for it to create a post for me. Or I can draft out what I need to paste on my AI tool as a prompt to perform any task I want it to perform for me. Do you understand? So if you have any question about what I've talked about, you can just drop in the comment section below and I'll answer your question. Let's check the timer. I hope the timer is still running. Yeah, timer is still running. So you are in 3 minutes. We are on the 3 minute time now. So I want to create an effective prompt now using these three things now. The first thing is the role. So don't forget this is starting at the role here because I want Cloud to act as a social media manager of over 3 or 20 years experiences. So to say, I'm using 20 years experiences here. So the task now is to create a post for my software business. That's the task I want to give it to for it to create for me. The context now of that that business now, of that software business now, is a software businesses post for local and small medium enterprise. You can call it SME as an acronym. So I want, in summary now, I want Cloud to be a social media manager of over 30 or 20 years experiences and create a post for my software business. And this software business post I want to create is based mainly for local and small medium enterprise. So let's go further to Cloud and NS or create a prompt using this example I give here. So now act like a, I believe you all can see my screen. Act like a social media manager of over 20 years experiences. Create a Facebook post because I have to create a context now of where my post will be posted to. Create a Facebook post for my software business, which will be targeting small and medium, enterprises. So small and medium enterprises. So that's just all about creating an effective prompt. Can you see in how many lines now, in how many words now, I've created a simple and effective prompt. So after clicking on this button, this the result generated for me, and the result is a post, a Facebook post, which I can share which I can share on my Facebook handle. So that's just that about creating an effective prompt. I believe you all have gained something in this video. And if you have any inquiries on how you could create an effective prompt for your use case, it might be an image, it might be a video, you can reach out to me, send me a DM or chat me up. My name is Isaac, the founder of Zeecomedia. And thanks so much for watching this video. And yeah, bye for now.